Okay, this is problem 3, Midler Corporation, and this is a manufacturer of electronics and communication systems, and they use a service department charge system to charge profit centers with computing and communication-based services. Okay, so the So this table identifies a list of categories and activity bases that are used by the department. Okay, so we have on the help desk, they allocate their costs based on the number of calls, and there's $160,000 in cost, and the base for the activity, they get about 3,200 calls for the period. Okay, and you know, your book talks about this is just for the month. The way they do this is they do this for the year, okay, and that's what's really charged, but that's all right. So they're going to charge $50 per call. And the network center looks at the number of devices that are monitored. The cost for the network center is $735,000, and there are 9,800 devices. Okay, so $75 per device. Email, number of user accounts, and that is 100,000 divided by 10,000 accounts, so that would be $10 per account. And then handheld technology is 126.4 divided by 8,900, that's $14 per handheld technology. Okay, so let's see what they tell us here. Some of the information I think is a little bit confusing. The sector has 5,200 employees, and 25% are in the office. Okay, so 5,200 times 25% gives us 1,300 employees. Okay. Then almost all the office employees, 99% of them, have a computer on the network. So that 1,300 times 99% means 1,287 have a computer on the network. And all of those have an email account. Okay? And the average number of help desk calls for October was 1.2 calls per individual with a computer. So 1,287 have a computer, times 1.2 is 1,544.4 calls, right? Yeah. And then there are 600 additional printers, servers, and peripherals. And peripheral might be like a laptop or a, you know, a tablet, something that can walk. Okay, because only 25% of the employees are in the network, 75 are in the office, 75% are outside. So of the 5,200 employees, 75% are outside. That would mean about 3,900. Oh no, there's 600 of them. 600 additional peripherals. Oh, yeah, but that doesn't matter. Because 5,200 times 0.75, $14 per device then. So all of the non-office employees have been issued a handheld device. That's an important sentence. I missed that the first time. So the non-office employees are the 3,900. They've all been issued a handheld device, so that would be 3,900 times 14. Okay, so first of all, they wanted us to determine the service charge, or the charge for the 4 service categories, and then the charges to the sector for the 4 categories for October. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. The first thing that we've got is the help desk. Okay, that's our first calls is help desk calls. And we've got 5,200 employees times 25%, that's 1,300 that are in the office, times 99% is 1,287. 1,287 times 1.2, we had 1,544.4 calls. 0.4 times $50 a call. Okay? 77,220. That's our charge for our help desk. And then the next one would be the network center. And for the network, again, we've got 5,200 employees, 25% inside, so that's 1,300 times 0.99 is 1,287. So 1,287 plus 600 additional printer services. I think this is on the network. So we've got $12.87 for all the people, because everybody was issued a handheld device, right? Plus 600 additional. And all this times $75 a device. Okay, so $12.87 plus 600 times 75. The network charge is $141,525. I don't know. I don't think they did a good job explaining, you know, who belongs to what. I would have missed that. Okay. Email. Email is straightforward, thank God. Everybody has an email account, so we've got, again, for at least the people in the firm, we get the 5,200 times 25% times 0.99, and 100% have them. So we've got 1287 employees times $10 a piece. The email charge is actually pretty cheap. It's $12,870. Okay, and then finally the handheld technology. Everybody has something handheld. Maybe they've all got phones. 52 employees. Everybody in the outside, right? Yeah, all non-office employees have been issued probably some kind of a phone. So they had to be 5,200 times 75%, okay, or 3,900 times $14 per device. I pay a lot more than that for my phone. Maybe it's something. Maybe it's a calculator. 3,900 times point. Oops. Okay, 54,600. Okay, that's what it is. Those are the individual charges for all those areas. Okay, so that's how much. Those are the charges for the 4 categories. That's what they would be. All right.